अरे अनिल
Start. Sir, क्या है?
So, essentially, unfortunately, past 2 years, I haven't been able to make it because of my work. And thankfully, this year, today, I was informed well in advance the morning for this event. And I'm happy to be here, finally. It's run by friends of mine. And it's good to meet Smriti, who was here a while ago. And what can I say? I'm honored to be here this morning.
There is a lot of women empowerment seen over here. So what would you like to say for that? Women empowerment.
Women empowerment.
Yeah.
I think it's time that we men need to be empowered because women are far ahead of us. Yeah, well, we keep talking over, on the phone and on messages. And like you saw, it was a very brief meeting, and you can't really catch up when there's all of you present here in full strength. But it's always good bumping into an old friend. About Lavratri. Lavratri, I think we have exactly from today 1 month to go. It's releasing on the 5th of October. It's a film with a lot of heart in it, and the music is great, so I'm hoping it'll do well.
Ronit, you are doing a lot of other films also. Can you share the projects that you are doing, which we'll see you in future?
There is a lot of work that I'm doing, and I'm here for a purpose. So I'm sure we'll all meet, very soon on the promotion of Hostages. And when we meet, at that point of time, we can discuss my further projects.
Thank you,
अरे दादा
30 साल से आईएमसी की विमेंस विंग इस प्रकार से एक ही मंच पर हमारी महिला एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को, एनजीओज़ को एकत्रित करती है ताकि मुंबई के सभी महिलाएं अथवा वो लोग जो एनजीओज़ को प्रोत्साहित करना चाहते हैं, महिला एंटरप्रेन्योर्स को प्रोत्साहित करना चाहते हैं, वो सब यहाँ आए, उनका प्रोत्साहन भी करें और ये एक सेल का उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म बनता है। इन गतिविधियों के माध्यम से विविध प्रकार की सामाजिक संस्थाएं अपने आप को और फाइनेंशियली सक्षम करती हैं, इसलिए आईएमसी को सतत 30 वर्ष के लिए इस कार्य के लिए मैं शुभकामना देती हूँ। मैंने यहाँ पर देखा है कि किस प्रकार से एक महिला एंटरप्रेन्योर कारीगरों के साथ काम करके उत्कृष्ट सामान तैयार करती हैं। एक वक्त ऐसा भी था जब महिला एंटरप्रेन्योर्स कारीगर के साथ काम करने की शुरुआत कर रही थी, तो जो प्रोडक्ट्स में फिनेस है डिज़ाइन का, वो एक बहुत बड़ा यहाँ पर उदाहरण देखने को मुझे मिला। आई थिंक दैट फॉर इंडिया स्पेशली एन इंडियन क्राफ्ट, the time has come where our design and our prominence in that eye for creating something niche is projected, and this is the platform that IMC Women's Wing is giving.
Would you like to say something on Skill India? What is going on right now?
I think that one of the stalls was a great exhibition of bringing the old and the new India together, and the fact that a woman entrepreneur became the bridge between craft legacy and the entrepreneurial prominence and promise of Indian women is something to behold, is something to celebrate. and I'm hoping that we see more and more such women come to the fore, because the fact is that if you want to keep creativity alive, what better person to keep that creativity alive in our society than a lady who gives birth to creative forces in our society.
अच्छा, ये मैं पहली बार यहाँ पर आया हूँ और मेरी दोस्त हैं कौशिका जी, हमारे फैमिली फ्रेंड्स हैं। उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि आप ये लोग जो घर में बैठी डोमेस्टिक महिलाएं जो काम करती हैं, जो जिनको मौका नहीं मिलता, प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता, उन्हें यहाँ पे प्लेटफॉर्म दिया जा रहा है। और मेरी मम्मी भी एक वर्किंग औरत थी, तो मैं जानता हूँ कि जिस घर में महिलाएँ काम करती हैं वो घर को कितनी शक्ति मिलती है, कितना ताकत मिलती है। जब दो लोग हमारे होते हैं तो महिलाएं भी जब अपना हाथ में पटाती हैं उनका तो अच्छा होता है। तो इस हिसाब से मुझे लगा कि बड़ा अच्छा काम है, मैं इसलिए आया। दिस इज अबाउट दैम। As I said, my mother. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So sorry. As I said, my mother was also a working woman. So वो घर में भी बेचारी काम करती थी। She used to be झाड़ू, पोछा, बर्तन, कपड़े, और फिर वो गाती भी थी। शोज हमें पढ़ाती थी। So I'm here because of the respect to my mother. I have a tremendous respect for women who go out of the way to help their families, to make them stronger, and that is why we are here. हाँ, बहुत गाती थी मेरी मम्मी, गाती थी बहुत सारे गाने। स्टेज पे पापा, मम्मी, मैं, हम सब गाते थे।
the exhibition has given them to soar to great heights. I would like to thank and acknowledge the dedication and effort of our advisors, Mrs. Kokilaben Ambani, Mrs. Urvi Piramal, and Mrs. Veena Modi, who have provided immense support and guidance for taking the exhibition to a different level altogether. I especially want to thank Mrs. Kokilaben Ambani for ensuring that Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, who is an icon for most women, is amidst us today as our chief guest. I welcome you here, and I'm so happy that your mother could accompany you. We were very privileged to have Mrs. Smriti Irani grace this occasion. I'm truly grateful that she had taken time from her busy schedule as Minister of Textiles to visit the exhibition. Unfortunately, she had a flight to catch at 12:30 and had to leave early. But she did spend some time visiting all our stalls, and especially the NGO stalls. I also wish to thank the entire exhibition committee and the IMC Ladies Wing Secretariat for conceptualizing and raising the exhibition to its present gigantic size and splendor. My vision for this year, Stronger Together, and my wish to concentrate on business and industry find the resonance with the ethos of the exhibition, that of the Ladies Wing lending a helping hand to more and more women in business to scale the ladder of success. We have touched a record 240 participants, and together we hope to grow from strength to strength. Art enhances one's aesthetic sense and creative imagination. Some of the most successful and proudest artists from India are women. They have been at the forefront of new movements in art, including unusual art installations and the performance art. Hence, we chose the theme Art this year, which is evident from the elaborate decor that you will see around you. This exhibition has always held a very special place in people's hearts and has grown to become one of the city's most coveted shopping destinations. So here's wishing all the participants the very best, and to all our guests, I hope you'll go back feeling that you have chosen an excellent way to spend your day and your money, of course. Thank you all once again. Your presence means a great deal to us.
Thank you so much. Please give it a huge round of applause. I request the member of our advisory board
My dear friends, IMC Ladies Wing President Mohana Nair, Vice President Manika Kotkari, Mummy. Ashwara has a two mummy. I'm so happy to be with you all the exhibition once again. It is a wonderful occasion to witness the treasure of the talent, creativity and the contribution of our women entrepreneurs. Recently, we saw how Indian sports women won medal. President of this Samaj Mandal, I thank you for the giving our Mandal this opportunity. I am the president of the Port Industry Mandal, and our Mandal is doing not like IMC exhibition, but it's a very small baby, but it will grow slowly. And I am very proud in our Port Industry Mandal, our Didi, Mradula Didi, you won't believe it, she is 94. The way she is working in the Mandal, you won't believe it, she is the pillar of the Mandal. Where is my dear Didi? Jara haath uncho karo ne. Where is Didi? Didi, she is 94 and she is Didi, અમારા મંડળના પિલર કહે જે કહે તે અમારું મંડળ દીદીથી ચાલે છે અને this age she is working so hard. Thank you દીદી, keep it up અને 100 સાલ નહીં પણ 110 સાલ જીવો. અને અમારા મંડળને ખૂબ ખૂબ હેલ્પ કરો. થેન્ક યુ દીદી. Now Aishwarya ji, come this side. Come this side. And I have a special thanks to my dear Aishwarya. She is a wonderful person and very humble and very graceful also. Once I told her, Aishwarya, bring your mother. She said, okay, no formality, I will bring her. So thank you, mommy, also. Yeah. And once again, Aishwarya, thank you very much. God bless you. But she is my daughter. Oh? Mommy ko daughter ne thank you na say, but you are welcome. You are welcome. And you also. No, you are also welcome. Last but not the least, let us cherish the IMC ladies' day, saying stronger together. You understand? Stronger together. Jहाँ unity हो, जहाँ सबसे हमेशा आगे. On a personal note, I would like to say that I have learned a lot from all of you, the committee, thanks to Bharti Gandhi for inviting me to be on the advisory committee. Thank you very much, Bharti. Anyway, you brought me here. Now, last. Now, everybody is waiting to see the exhibition. So, we are not giving I am not giving a very big speech, but open your heart, open your faith, and please enjoy your shopping. I am also doing shopping. Have a good day. Thank you very much.
This is a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Huge round of applause. I request our guest of honor, Mr. Nigam, if you could say a few words.
I agree that the thing that I've learned in my life is when there are so many women around, speak as less as possible. So I'll probably just I'll dedicate the song because everybody has spoken so well about the everything, and especially the Greater Monk. So I would like to just in my album Classically Mother, I'd sung मैंने गाना बनाया था मेरी मम्मी के लिए, मेरी बहनों के लिए, सबके लिए. तो वो गाना था धन्य धन्य नारी जीवन औरों को ही तू अर्पण. तो मैं उसको बुखरा था.
मेरा हाथ
because women's empowerment doesn't mean disempowerment of the man. It is to walk shoulder to shoulder. So thank you for your good wishes and singing. Thank you very much. I have been connected with IMC because of Bharti Gandhi, who is my school friend and also college friend. And like Kokla had said, she got me involved as well. It's been wonderful over the years to see what a huge success this exhibition is. But I do want to recognize over here that this exhibition is something that comes in people's eye because it is a focus of attention. But we must remember that IMC during the whole year does some very good work which goes unrecognized, and this is only a culmination of that work. So congratulations to you and all the ladies. It's a great pleasure for me to share the platform with my favorite Ashwin.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I request Mrs. Pinky Reddy if you could say a few words. Alright. Then, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear a few words from our chief guest, who's been a great inspiration to women all over the country, Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
this is, for me, extremely reflective. I hadn't even anticipated it, so probably that's why I am endorsing this largely at this moment. The IMC we here representing the women of our times, burgeoning entrepreneurs, and all these powerful and promising stories. The Anti-Women's Wing has evolved as one of the most prestigious platforms of recognition for women entrepreneurs, and over the years has created a niche for itself as it served as a huge stepping stone for women attempting to set up and establish businesses. It is indeed an extremely credible platform, and women have proved that those who launched themselves at this exhibition are today in national and international markets. More than 30 years, the Women Entrepreneurs Exhibition hosted by the IMC Ladies Wing has positioned itself as a prime destination also for fresh and new talented entrepreneurs, and they need a platform to launch themselves, and this becomes truly a promising place to be able to go the miles that they seek on their various ventures. The economic empowerment of women is the national mantra, and supporting this exhibition, I have the honor in supporting the economic empowerment of women. So I thank you all so much for giving me this opportunity to be here in this tour, and of course my best wishes and all my love to everyone. Thank you for this most beautiful rendering of such meaningful words. Shabanaji, as always, I love you and thank you, and I think she's already started, as I said, the honors of shopping. And enjoy everybody, enjoy the shopping experience, and take the time out to appreciate the efforts, dreams, the creativity of so many girls and women who come together with such positive energy every year to celebrate their creative dreams and their dreams of entrepreneurship. Like I said, every lady and every woman is a born CEO. In our households every waking day, and this is yet another platform where we get to enjoy sharing it with the world around us. God bless and all the very, very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Please give a huge round of applause, everybody. And also to join our President, Chairperson, Chief Guest, Guests of Honor, and Advisory Board members for a photo. I welcome on stage our sponsors, Sunil Jewelers, PC Totoka and Sons, Kana Singh, Fine Jewels, Julie, Sri Haridari White Cement, Tanveer Rim and Sanya, Gems and Jewels Palace, Jewelry Art, The Home Company, Nithali Singh, ADF Soul, The Pink Rosette, Delicier, 1441 Pizzeria, Iosis Wellness, Neelam Realtors, and IMOX.
अरे मारना गाना तुम साइड ला हुआ है
In closing, we'd like to thank our partners, Mr. Janaki Shah, President NSCI, Lal Iqbal, for the amazing decor, Gitika Narabowala, and QS Communications for the exhibition's PR and social media, Dipali Bharat for IMC's social media, Jitendra Singh, Soul Contractor, and Rajiv Zaveri, Hospitality Management. We'd like to invite our guests of honor to walk through our exhibition and encourage our participants and committees in this noble effort. It's been a fabulous morning, and we thank each and every one of you for your unwavering support towards the efforts of the IMC. Enjoy your day with us as you walk through the exhibition to find it, and don't miss the wonderful range of products in our section dedicated to NGOs. The IMC Ladies Wing is proud to support each of these worthy causes to raise funds and build awareness for the causes they represent. And if you've shopped and you've dropped, make sure to visit our IOC This spa, a sanctuary of rejuvenation that is sure to leave you refreshed and happy for a second round.
कहने तुम करे
Please, please. Hey, don't worry. Bus. उधर स्टॉल है समझ पहले थोड़ा पीछे जी राइट कम आरती जी Yeah, come. All three of you, yeah, look here, man. Aarti ji. Aarti ji, yeah.